Okay, Karruba manarimahan kaya dumdum nga kiti programa na paluan.
Adda kami manan.
Dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio. Nagsamit. And
Nagsamit.
yours truly, Manong Jun Sariales.
And John Mark Pastor.
Ayan, kat ulitin mi apo ngay pakamu kadagiti adita Barangay San Sebastian kan kadagiti asidek dita no daman di naayat ngayon tuno Mayo 4, 2017 apo maatan di mapasamak iti second part iti programa mi ana baluan adda kami para kingka sa Jai San Sebastian Community Center apo San Sebastian Ramon Isabela. That is an optical and dental mission. So dagiti kahit nagpapaharot tingipan kan maadan iti sarming pangbasa reading classes umay kayo lang apo iti alas 8 tibigat or nasapsapa for registration. Kat dagiti sponsors tayo, of course, we have the Fodegado Production Incorporated and the FDD Hong Kong chapter, as well as the dagitoy apo dagiti principal sponsor po kas lakasarmutan. We have
Elisa and Danny Cabal.
The Cabal ARCH, and of course ni Kabsat Cathy Cabal Salvador iti leader da. So iti pangulo da dita. Kabsat kastamad kini manang Josephine Cabal ARCH kat ni manang Josie the administrator da dita.
Tabile Arc with Arman and Kathy.
Yes, administrator and operator. We also have Raza ARCH with Ruth and Basil as their administrator and operator.
Rambo ARCH with Cynthia, admin operator.
And the Kaban AFCH with Susan AFHA with Susan and Jerry as their administrator and operator.
Guna Togade,
yes.
AFHA and Jonel Salom.
AFHA, and of course ni
ada pa jimbagan ng tinga ko tatay.
Kabsat Edius Agbalog. Ayun.
Aji may isa pa yung bagan ng tinga tatay niya
so data, in copy paste ko data.
Ay kasi ay.
One. And of course, siyempre, the FTDPI, ngayon papangulo naman ng Darlene, pandagiti anak na, ng tatamat ni
Kuya Omar, Kuya Ate Aisha, and Bunso Fatima.
Together with manang Virgie, kan nate anak na nga ni Jael.
Oo.
Apit na kita anak. And of course, the presence of Bayaw RJ, when Joseph Agtarap, kan no mabalbalin ka no mayaban no datay dentista nga gayam nakata na sa saya at pay ni Dr. Ildefonso Domingo. Kat basta agawit to lang takit mamujudate na. Ngaro, tayo na po iti may kalungang pased iti programa.
Dapat nag-text kanyak na eh.
Wherein, mga ganyan, dagiti na dumado mga generative music iti 4-decade duo. English, Tagalog, Espanyol, ibanag man ay Bisaya. Dong, pwede rin. Anak ko na dyan nag-texting ka.
Pare kayo sumante harap-ahap ngay sagot ko da jelay. Nga rin natin fiesta tiranyag. Ni Jan kan kagawad talenti ng John Lopez kan Jairo Guapo. Ani Nanay Lourdes.
Yan, ang luckily ka English mo ti kantatan.
So pa ya.
So English at po medyo napatugtog kami lang itatay ta medyo nalipatan ni balong ko na si Manang Virgie. Ang kinita na lang ta madinga mamati nga naibalikas ko tinaga ni basang mo. Kan. Kini Kurt. Sponsor mo ti Candy ni Kurt. Ngaro das part
ay da nag-request dito yun eh. Count on you. Na yung bagamuli mo anong request ka mo dyan, Count on you, sagot ko to'y guard Tidibera Hospital.
Maika 54 nga kantak ta Count on you. Ngaro da iti first pista for this hour kat isagot ko man kini Manang Darlene kasi suna kat favorite na kanuunay dito nga sonata so nga kansyono man tamadig mo kita na malata therapy tagpraktisa kon andik amulata kon kunan na kat as time goes by as time goes by kat amum to lata kansyonan da ito di ba Manen gota kita man Mabali nag-request ko na pa yung text message na dirabi kanya. She says here, Don't Fade Away by Acosta Razo. I love that song. Kung ano naman ng Darlene. So dahito yan, abo. Dahito nga sunata nga request mo man ng I hope nga may kakiti hostisya na ta. Nabayag nga kung ano kansyonan. Ngarud, para katikiti tatao pa yung awanan. Wano na awananan iti na tatang. Ito kat para kata kayo.
Thank you.
Para king sa balong. Manang Darlene, feel. I've been waiting here for you, waiting for a sign from you. I feel very cold, that I can smile no more. Your voice doesn't sound so clear. I don't think it's fair. Your dreams disappear. I hope you'll be alright. We hope you'll be alright. Don't fade away from me, for you will always be my sweetest memory. A friend so dear to me. And I don't mean to sound so sad, but if you only knew I miss you so bad, I won't forget your life. We won't forget your life. No, it's gonna take some time, but you will never be off my mind. Oh no, I sit and cry and many tears, but I wish you were still here. Father, don't fade away from me, for you will always be my sweetest memory. A friend so dear to me. And I've been waiting here for you, waiting for a sign from you. I feel very cold, that I can smile no more. It's Gentleman Pastor with our version of the song Photograph. Agur kahapon na pa naman niya palaw.
Datuyak.
Kaping orto bibuya enak. Okay. Once again.
Loving can hurt.
Yeah. Everybody.
Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes were never closed and hearts were never broken. Times were from
you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside the spaces. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home.
Yeah. Swing ba? Tawag yung kasala naman?
Whatever.
Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it won't get easier. Remember that with every piece of you, and it's the only thing we take with us when we die.
Version of the song, Photograph.
Hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.
Home, kaslakit ko yung home.
Apo, nakarakit ka man iti sunatan. Nga roda, datay niti may kaalo nga pasayat iti programa kada kiti dudong pay apo nga pangablaw. Kaya miman nga ikan iti naisalsalumbi nga greetings sa giti ka online na lang itata apo. We have agor kasi na din nakita kita tuyang nga barbaron. Mirna Valdez Mapili, ayan, kasangsangpot na fra Mixel Arc at thank you very much adding for listening. May sa iso na kadagiti imo na nga gimatang iti sidita sa jay ano man di La Union La Union na
Sino ni?
ating Mirna Valdez Mapili.
Aywan.
Ayan,
La Union.
welcome Manen Garlin. Ayan, nakot may saping nga sunatang may paay kadagiti adayu kadagiti ingungutan na tibiyag laging paborito mi apo dito nga sunatan nga rod balong
The summer day is come and gone away in Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. I'll find, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another airplane, another song it plays. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. I got to go home. Let me go home, 'cause I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home.
Dedicate this piece also to my sister Felicia. if you feel like going home, Adda, please come home.
And I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside and everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. But this was not your dream, but you always believe in me.
Another winter day has come and gone away, and even Paris and Rome were long ago. Katawa, let me go home.
And I'm surrounded by a million people now. Just to feel alone, let me go home. Oh, I miss you, you know.
Let me go home.